Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Stuttgart, which I believe is the second largest trade fair for RVs in the world. I believe, I might be wrong, but it certainly is the second largest in Europe. So here I've got a BoxDrive 680 ME campervan from Knaus. I'll show you some information. 111,000 plus for a campervan. And here's the technical stuff about it, if I can get it to work. 684 centimeters long, 204 wide, 172 inner width, and 268 height, and 192 inner height. 111,000 euros for a MAN, admittedly, campervan. It's not particularly cheap. I mean, parts of it looks quite nice inside. I like the leather covering, looks quite really good, I think. And it's just this light concept it's got. And in the center we've got the washroom, and the back we've got this bed that will go in various positions, and a stack of storage actually below it, and there's your step up into bed, which comes with a bit of storage in it. And you can see, because the things have fallen off, we've got the electronics over there. I think that's visible. If it's not, then I'll have to come back next year and film it again. Let's see if I can turn some more lights on in here. And no, I don't think I can. I think that's anyway. Right, so here we've got the fridge. There we've got the small storage. This funny thing here is the shower, and you may say that looks rather cheap for 111,000 euros. Well, you know, he's got to go somewhere, I suppose, the shower, so this is as good a place as any. It's a bit of a palaver doing all this, I can tell you. There's the toilet anyway, so you close that. Well, sort of closed. I mean, if the tub, there's nobody passing to see what you're doing in the toilet. Can I get this to go further around? Oh, there. It's got something stopping it there. And can I get it? Wow, it's really stiff. Anyway, under this duckboard there is a shower thing, and what do you call it? Shower tray. Here we've got a shower curtain. There's a metallic bit there, and it'll go onto that magnetically. There you see, I heard that, that worked. And I'll open that up there. There's the shower head, and toilet will turn around. You don't have to leave your feet there. And a little sink, which has got no height at this end, so it sort of drops down. What's that point of that? How ridiculous. Anyway, let's come out. I can. Yeah, God, I can. Move this one as well. And we've got this tray down here. So not tray, the duckboard. So we'll lift this up and we'll have a look what's under it. It's got four drainage holes. That's pretty good. And it's got these things here, which the feet will fit into the drainage holes. It's got a sort of non-slip surface on there, and as we can see, the place where the runners are gets all sorts of dirt caught up in them, so you've been warned on that front. Down here we've got, and hopefully this wouldn't get wet, if you were careful it wouldn't, I've got some drawers and more drawers down here. And here we've got two burners with it's an electronic ignition, which everybody gives you these days. There we have the sink. The fridge is 90 litres, but you know, 131 8-litre if you want as an option. It's got a filter system in the water. You've got a bit of storage up there, and there's a step up here. I can't get over the price of this. Unless somebody's having me on. I bet somebody came in earlier, saw me, then put a ridiculous price on to make me look silly as I came in. Who knows? Yeah, I like that. Actually, that's quite larger than most of these short shoe things are in the shoe drawers are. Okay, integrated fly net. Well, everybody puts one of them on now as well, but I may as well show it. And let's now go round the back of this vehicle. there you go. And that's what it looks like at the back. Mind you, I do like this. I do like this cover. Nobody else does that, so I'll grant that that is good. This, of course, will go up and down. That's the whole point of this bed. A number of companies do the bed going up and down. That's nothing new, but it is. They do. Nobody else does the curtain. Lots of storage at the back. I'm glad to see this has been used, a Kipo system to hold stuff in place here. That's a good sign. The fact that these things here have fallen, or maybe they haven't fallen off, but knowing in that Knaus quality, I would suspect they have fallen out of. It comes with the a charger there. You can see the fuses. We've got an inverter in there as well, and have a look in there. That's your gas cupboard, so that's for cooking only, and the heating is via diesel heater. And there's a ladder to get up in bed with if you want. Right, so you got the price there, 111,000. And okay, you know, people are prepared to pay it. That's what the price is. There's not much, and maybe they've got the cost. It's got a 10-year water ingress guarantee. I need to point out, I do not recommend buying the Knaus van at all as the company, but anyway, that apart, thanks for watching, and I've talked about why I don't like Knaus as a company in another video, so I won't do it again now. But anyway, I did actually show you a 111,000 euro camper van. And so if anybody asks, you can't say you've seen one costing 111,000 euros. Thanks for watching.